What's up guys, I'm going to show you how to make a simple milkshake. It's really, really easy. It takes 3 steps. That is it. So what you need is the flavour ice cream you want to use for a milkshake. Is chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, bubblegum, whatever you want. And milk, obviously, because it's called a milkshake. So all you do is you get your ice cream and you get your scoop, which is here. You get your scoop. Make sure it's hot. Make sure your scoop isn't hot, so you scoop ice cream really easily. So then you take your ice cream. If it's soft, make sure it's quite soft, so not make sure it's rock solid. Make sure your scoop isn't hot. Get a nice scoop of ice cream out. Depends how strong you want to put more in, but one. So 1 scoop. I'm gonna put 3 scoops in mine to see what it's like. But 2 and 3. And then you put about, the lines here, put about 100 to 200 ml, depending on how you can put 200 ml milk in. So you get your milk and you pour it in to your desired amount. So about there. And then you get your machine, your milkshake machine that we got, depends how rich you are really. I don't know what machine you get, but pop machines at milkshake lounges are now £190, so like £4.99. So then you get it in, stick it in the machine, turn it till it's locked, and press start. It only needs about 10 seconds, so I'll bring everything out of my glass and pour it in. So all you need is 10 seconds, guys. So what you do, so then get your glass ready. You can put it again. Bring the machine over that you just blended. Make sure it's shaking properly, so give it a shake. Make sure it's blend properly. Open it and check it's blended properly because it won't taste nice with lumps in it. But yeah, give it a nice bang off, so it doesn't drip. And then pour your milkshake in like that. And then if you've got some whipped cream, which I have today, I bought this, you can whip some cream on top like this. Just like that. And that is a perfect milkshake. Hope you enjoyed, guys, and I will see you in the next video.